If dark spots, uneven skin tone, or hyperpigmentation have been bothering you, this turmeric oil routine might be exactly what your skin needs. In today's video, I'm sharing how turmeric oil helps brighten, even out skin tone, and give that natural glow, especially for mature skin. This simple routine is easy to follow and can be added right into your skincare regimen.
Girl, I missed you. Where you been hiding all this time?
If dark spots your problem, this is what you need right here. Turmeric oil, baby. This right here is a glow game changer. Y'all, you've been around me long enough. Yes, me, sweet angel, to know that if I'm bringing it to you, I have tried it and it is true. Turmeric is known for helping brighten the skin, fade dark spots, and even out your complexion. And when it's in oil form, it penetrates deeper and gives you that soft, radiant glow. You already know, as we get a little more seasoned, we start noticing dark spots, uneven tone, especially around the cheeks, chin, and forehead. So I've got to share this with you. Listen, I want to share with you now how you can use it. After cleansing your face, take about 2 to 3 drops of turmeric oil. Rub it between your fingers and gently press it into your skin. Don't rub too hard, just press it in. Focus on those dark areas. Now listen, a little goes a long way. And yes, turmeric can stain, so use this at night or use a small amount. Use this 3 to 4 times a week consistently, and that's where the magic happens. You should start noticing brighter skin, smoother texture, and those dark spots looking lighter over time. Go ahead and give it a try. And come back to this video and tell me how your skin is glowing. All right, beautiful babes, we are glowing, we are growing, and we are taking care of this skin at any age. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, and I love hearing from you. So don't forget to share this with somebody who needs this glow up in their life. And listen, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you never miss a moment with me right here on Beauty by Sweet Angel. Everything I used in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. Yes, your girl may earn a small commission, but it does not cost you anything extra. And always, this is DIY and educational content only, so make sure you patch test, take care of your beautiful skin, and do what works best for you. Until next time, stay glowing, stay blessed, and keep that sweet angel glow shining from inside out.